Today, I'll be teaching my kiddos how to dream bigger. First, let's talk to Javion and see what he wants to be when he grows up. Javion, I'm asking everyone in class today what they want to be when they grow up. A gamer. Duh, TT, Amanda says. Dream bigger, Javion. You can code your own games, but if anyone can do it, you can. Eli's toy review. Ciao, TT. I want to be a famous YouTuber. Dream bigger, Eli. You, my dear, can be anything you put your mind to. Salute, TT. I want to work at Amazon. I know. Dream bigger, Jeffrey. Use your imagination. It can take you to the moon. Carolyn was overheard whispering to her friends, I want to be just like my mommy. Master Sergeant, mommy. Dream bigger, Caroline. Mommies have a magical superpower, and they can do it all. Janice, can you tell us what you want to be when you grow up? I want to be a gymnast, just like Simone. Simone Biles? Dream bigger, Janice. Let's go for the gold. Hola, Titi. Cora, tell the class what you want to be when you grow up. I want to be a ballerina. Stay fearless. Dream bigger, Cora. Misty Copeland would be proud. I see you dancing all around the world. TT yells T. Avery from across the playground. I want to play in the NBA. Dream bigger, T. Avery. You can own the whole team. TT, do you think I could be a famous swimmer? I sure do, Landon. Have you ever heard of Michael Phelps? I think you'll give him a lap or two around the pool. Dream bigger, Landon. Believe in yourself and you'll be unstoppable. Success is not by accident or by luck. It's by hard work, perseverance, learning and studying, sacrifice, and most importantly, loving what you do. Always remember, the best is yet to come. You can literally be anything you want to be. You just have to dream big, little one. The world is yours. This book is dedicated to all the kids I love. Always follow your dreams. Dream bigger. Thank you for watching, guys. You can find my book on Amazon and leave me a review if you like it. I'll see you in the next one.